Hello guys! It's me, Mara, at today ay maglalaro tayo ng Need More Friends sa Roblox. Kasi wala tayong masyadong kaibigan eh. Except na lang kay Kuya Ash, kay Yuki Boy. Kaya maghahanap pa tayo ng maraming kaibigan dito. Samahan niyo ako! Pero bago ang lahat, don't forget to like and subscribe! Let's go! Need more friends. Yay! It's your birthday. Your mission, may mission daw tayo guys. Your mission is to find different ways to make friends come over and celebrate with you. Let's play! Tulog pa tayo guys. Oh, it's finally my birthday! I need to see if my mom and dad are awake. Oh, burn your bed? No! Come on, let's go to our parents. Oh, asan kaya sila mama at papa? Ayun! Happy birthday! Thanks! Should we decorate the house? Ooh, yes please! Well, what are you waiting for? There are some boxes full of decorations in the garage. Go get them. Okay po, kailangan natin pumunta sa garahe. Open. Okay. Ayun. Merong balloons. Give the balloons to mom. Ito po yung balloons, mama. Tapos kay daddy. Yung mga party hangers. Daddy. Si Papa, Papa! Ito po yung sa inyo. Thank you po sa pagtulong. Thanks for your help. No worries. We need to prepare for the cake, so let's set up the dining table. Okay, I begin to place some plates down. Kailangan na nating i-ready yung table, guys. Ito yung plato. Yun, kailangan na natin i-set up to para sa mga darating nating kaibigan. Tapos, ito pa, yung mga glasses kapag nauhaw sila, di ba? Placing the glasses. And, the spoon. Ayun. Ready to go tayo, guys. Tapos yung, ang laki ng cake natin, guys, oh! Kung nagustuhan niyo yung cake natin, comment down below! Let's go! Here's the cake! Yay! Mama, Dada! There we go! I finished! Does it look good? Wow, yeah, this looks good! Good job! Thanks. By the way, do I have any presents? I'm sorry, but this year, nakalimutan nila mama at papa yung gift. Pero okay lang. Don't worry, we have the delicious cake. Yeah! Should we begin to eat? Yeah, let's go. This will be so delicious. Ang sarap nito, mama. Wait a minute. Mama, papa? What's wrong? Is there no friends coming? Didn't you give any... Nakalimutan mo ba yung invitation kahapon? Hindi mo na ipamigay sa school? Oh, I forgot. But I never saw you play any games. Yeah, my mom gave me 3,400 infinity chores to one. Yun, pinayagan tayo ni daddy na gumawa pa tayo ng paraan para mag-invite ng mga friends. Yay! Tapos, ipapamigay natin yung mga flyers. Punta tayo ulit sa kwarto natin. Open. Oops, hindi pala ito. Kila mama at papa yun eh. Tapos, saan na ba yung flyers natin? Ayun! Nakalimutan ko tong ipamigay kahapon. Tara guys, punta daw tayo sa school para ipamigay yung mga flyers. Yung invitation natin, ayun, we're here at school. If you hate school, buy this. No thanks. Open. Give out flyers to everyone. Hello, invited ka sa birthday party ko. Ito pa, ito yung birthday invitation. Eto, punta kayo ha. Oh, hi! Punta ka ha. Pupunta ka sa birthday ko? Eto pa oh, invited ka ha. Let's go sa kabilang room. Oh, hi! Red hair! Eto yung birthday invitation ko na nakalimutan ko ibigay kahapon. Hello, teacher! Hi, sir! Sorry po, nakalimutan ko po ibigay kahapon. Excuse me! Here's the invitation. Oh, hi! Sorry, hindi ka invited. Joke lang. Siyempre, invited ka. Here's your birthday invitation. Yung mga details, nandiyan din. Siyempre, 2 p.m. See ya! See ya there! Open. Return to the car and head back home. Hindi tayo, buti pinayagan tayo ni teacher na makaalis, no? Let's go. Go back. Andito na tayo ulit sa bahay, guys. Tara, kausapin na natin sila mama at papa. I've given out some flyers at the school now. Okay, great. So where are they? It's been 30 minutes. I don't know, bro. I might need some time. But remember, 2 p.m. daw, sabi ni mama. Huwag mong kalimutan. I'll go on peace and tell the whole neighborhood that I'm throwing a party. Okay, sounds good. Punta tayo sa kwarto ulit natin, guys. Tapos, punta tayo sa computer natin para mag-invite pa ng more friends. Dito na tayo, guys. Mag-i-invite na tayo. Click. Would you like to send a message to unknown? Hindi ko kilala eh. So, baka hindi ko sila i-invite kasi hindi ko naman sila kilala eh. Reminder, friends, that don't talk to strangers. How about, would you like to send a message to everyone in your neighborhood? Yes, kilala ko yung mga neighborhood namin, mga kapitbahay namin, kilala ko yun eh. Sige, invite natin sila. Send! Tapos na. Puntahan ulit natin sila mama at papa. Yun. I've sent a party invite to everyone in the neighborhood. Okay, great. Do you know when they will be arriving? No, they haven't replied yet. But I hope they come soon. What? Why don't you put up? Sabi ni Daddy, nagsuggest si Papa na maglagay daw tayo ng billboard para mas maraming makakita ng birthday invitation natin. Let's go! Kailangan natin kumuha nitong ladder para makakit tayo sa billboard. Place! Okay, yun. Let's go up, guys. Birthday party, 14 p.m. Ibig sabihin, 2 p.m. guys. Yun, nakalagay na tayo ng isang billboard. Tara, sabihan na natin sila mama at papa na nalagay na natin yung billboard. Ang galing! What was that noises outside? I was putting the notice on the billboards outside like you said. Oh yeah, good job! Well, the party is starting in half an hour. Can you think of anything else to go to more people to come? Maybe I can ask people who are walking in the street. Good idea. But hurry, the party starts soon. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. I'll do it right now. Yeah, you better do. Okay po. Labas tayo ulit, guys. Try nating mag-invite ng mga tao dito na dumadaan. Oh, hi! Gusto mo pumunta sa birthday? Ha? Punta ka sa birthday ko? Oo, masaya dun. Tara. Ayun, dalawa na yung nag-yes, guys. Yes! Sino pa kaya pwedeng i-invite? Hello! Hello, sir! Pwede ka po pumunta sa birthday party ko? Masaya dun. Uy! May 3 na Oh, busy daw siya. Di siya makakapunta. Bakit? Siguro magro-Roblox pa yun. Kaya busy. Ayun, meron pa dito. Hi sir, pwede po tayo mag-Roblox party. Punta po kayo sa birthday ko. Opo. Ay, busy daw yung isa. Busy talaga sila. Siguro may iba pa silang party pupuntahan. Huwag tayo mawawalan ng pag-asa, guys. Meron pa tayong matatanungan dyan. Meron po kaming palaro sa birthday. Baka gusto nyo pong pumunta. Yes, will you please come to my party? Oh yes! Nag-yes siya, guys! Yes! Marami na silang umuo, guys! Sabihan natin sila mama at papa, maraming nag-yes! I'm finally done! Great job! So are they here yet? I'm not sure. I guess they are not even coming anymore. Oh! May nag-doorbell! Sino kaya yun? Baka Shopee lang naman yun eh. Sino kaya yun? Open natin, guys. Ah! Yay! Pumunta lahat ng classmates at kapitbahay natin, guys! Woohoo! Good ending! Friends came to your house and you had the best party ever! Woohoo! Yay! Ang galing natin mag-invite, guys! Ang dami nating kaibigan! And that's need more friends. Kung nag-enjoy kayo sa video na to, don't forget to like and subscribe.